Hey everybody, Eric Brown and Cosplay here. Testing out the motions and the order of execution for each one of these actuators. I've gone to double PQ12 actuator here from Actuonix. I needed two just to get the extra muscle in there. They are extremely small and they were supposed to move about 11 pounds, but of course I'm using a lever, so that reduces it. And then I have another PQ12 down here at the end of the wrist to give me 45 degrees of movement. I had to switch it from the back side, which if you remember from the earlier video, was up here in the arm. And that and this together on the same side wouldn't work, so I had to put this on one side and then the two servos on the other side. These are like HS55 servos. They're a micro servo. These give me the X and Y. These will actually move in a cone. If you look at my earlier videos, this is the tip mechanism. Hopefully I'll have it so that the tip can aim at whatever I'm looking at. If I can put a sensor in my helmet and then hook it up with Bluetooth. That way that sensor will be like, hey, he's looking to the left, let's move them to the left. Or he's looking to the right, let's move them to the right. That's the ultimate goal in programming. I'm not sure how far I'll get on that. Also, something I'm going to do is I'm going to reduce this wire count. You can see right now I got just a whole bunch of wires, plus this one down here. What I plan to do is a wiring harness where I have just one large gauge, red and black, which is the power. The white is the signal, which says go, go here, go there. So that I can reduce the wire count that I have to thread up and through the through all of the body pieces that are going to clip onto this. That way I can have just really 3 wires coming up here instead of 6, and then 9 right there, and then another 6 down there. So we're up to 18, and then by the time I get down here, there's another 6. So I end up with a whole bunch of cables down here at the end. Also, just trying out some of the motions here. This piece is actually way too long. I've got to cut like an inch off because I added some space here in order to get this to work right. And I know it looks like they're not going to quite fit over my shoulder. That's because this whole mechanism will actually be tilted back on my back when it actually deploys. It'll fold up flat like this, but when it deploys, it'll actually come out like that. So that these arms, I'll show you as soon as it deploys, as it spins around, it'll actually kind of be like that. Whoops. Kind of like that. So that'll be up and over my shoulder. So it's about a 45-degree angle. That's what one of the other actuator parts is. So yeah, there's a bit of work to do there. Plus I got to put this collar on. That kind of slides around. That's why that flipped around on us. But that's a big update for you. Thanks for watching.